Hello and welcome. Today we'll be doing a demo on the workflow queues displayed on the screen. We will talk about hardware that's required to complete each step, and we will also fill a prescription to see the queues in action. Let's begin. Our first step in workflow is data entry. Data entry is a queue that populates prescriptions through the IVR system, refill reminders, or autofill flags within the prescription. This workflow queue is considered like a holding tank. This is where the users can go in, call up prescriptions, and have them move along the remaining workflow steps. The next step in workflow is packaging. Packaging is a step that requires a barcode scanner to be installed in order for the user to be able to scan the UPC of the medication when packaging. Once the packaging step is complete, the prescription moves on to package verification. This is the screen that the registered tech would need a signature tablet in order to be able to verify the prescription that they are working on. Once that is complete, the prescription will then move on to Pharmacist Verification. At this step, you will also need a signature tablet in order for the pharmacist to be able to verify the prescription for the last time. Let's fill a prescription and see these queues in action. We will go ahead and enter our patient information. We will enter our prescription information and also our doctor information. Once we have done that, we will enter the SIG, the dispense quantity, and authorized quantity. Once that step is complete, we will then make sure that we have a script image attached to this prescription. You will see why a script image is important once we move on to the remaining steps of the workflow. Let's press F12. You will notice that the first screen that comes up is our precautions screen. You will also see any drug interactions, any duplicate therapies come up at this stage as well. Once we have bypassed this, we would then be able to adjudicate our prescription to the third-party plan. Once that is complete, our prescription then moves on to packaging. Our packaging step displays the following information: an image of the medication being dispensed, the information of the medication, also if the patient is SNAP cap, or if the medication requires double count. Please ensure that you scan your UPC at the UPC tab. Once that is verified, you're then able to enter your lot number and expiry date information. Should you not want to enter this information, you can go ahead and just click Package, where you'll then be prompted to sign off and verify that you have double counted this prescription. Once that's complete, you can go ahead and package your prescription. At this point, we are in the package verification step, also known as technical verification. The registered tech will go ahead and click on each point of the prescription to ensure that all of the information entered is correct. Once this individual has completed the 7-point check, they will click Approve, which they will then be prompted to sign off on the signature tablet. Once that's complete, they will then move on to Pharmacist Verification. This is the tab where this is the screen where the pharmacist would be able to see the patient information, the drug, and the doctor information. Towards the middle, it will display any interactions that may have come up, and also if the patient has any particular RX messages that the pharmacist needs to check. Towards the bottom, they will see a list of all the medications the patient has taken to this date. Should you want to focus on just this particular medication or medication within the same therapeutic class, you can go ahead and click on Therapeutic Equivalents, which will then display to you all the TECTA or medications within the same therapeutic class as TECTA displayed in the patient's profile. Once you click Next, you are then prompted to view the script image and the information entered in Kroll. Once the pharmacist has verified everything, they will click Approve, which they can then sign off on the signature tablet to ensure that the prescription has been verified. This completes our demo and our brief description of what each queue does. Should you be interested in learning more about workflow, please go ahead and submit your workflow questionnaire to us, where we can then give you a full demo on what we have available and what customizations we can provide. Thank you very much and have a great day.